Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram profile private. So nobody can go on there and see your videos or see your photos. They have to request to follow you and then you have to approve them to be able to see your photos. So first of all, I'm on Instagram now. I'll tap the profile icon at the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right. And then I'll go into settings. And you see privacy is the fourth option. I'll tap that. And then right under connections, you can see account privacy public. I can tap on that and turn that on and it says, okay, now I have a private account. Now nobody will be able to see my photos if they're not following me, and for them to be able to follow me, I have to approve them. One thing to keep in mind is if it was public before, anybody could have followed you. So if you wanted to change it to a private account, you have to go into your followers and you can remove some of the followers if you no longer want them to see your posts. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe.